Gina. The first smart coffee instrument connects with an app and lets you follow the brewing guide or create your own. With the built-in smart scale, you'll find the perfect ratio between coffee, water, and time. And by tuning the valve, you'll set the right drop flow for your brewing method. Play with Gina and discover 3 different coffee techniques. Explore immersion for a richer body. Enjoy classic pour-over for the purest taste. Or cool down with cold drip flavor. Gina is designed to be on display, built of high-end materials, carefully selected and made to last.